Do you find it annoying when your iPhone's camera resets to default settings every time you open it? With the Preserve Settings feature, you can save your preferred camera configurations like mode, filters, or live photo options, so they're ready to go the next time you use your camera. Let's walk through how to enable this handy feature. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down, and tap Camera. Tap Preserve Settings from the list of options. Toggle on the settings you want to preserve, such as Camera Mode to retain the last used mode, example video or portrait. Control Menu to save previously used camera tools. Creative Controls to save filters, aspect ratios, or light settings. Depth Controls to save depth settings. And many more. By enabling Preserve Settings, you'll save time and make capturing photos or video more seamless. No more configurations your camera every time you open it. If the video helped you out, smash that like button. Want more useful tips and tricks like this one? Just subscribe to the channel because I've got tons more coming your way. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.